Thank you for joining us this evening. I'm Naja Sherman.
And I'm Dan Schaefer. Today, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released some new guidance on how to reopen safely. The 60-page document includes specific instructions for schools, businesses, and transit systems. WAAY
31's Sydney Martin joins us live outside Crestwood Hospital tonight after asking about the new guidance and how it could impact reopenings here in Madison County. Sydney.
Dan, Naja, the CEO of Crestwood Hospital, Pam Hudson, told me everything at the hospital is in line with the new guidance, but they're watching very closely as updates keep coming in daily.
In the new release of information, there might have been one slight tidbit, if you will, that we went back and looked at our policies and our practices, and in the end, we were comfortable that we had already addressed those issues.
Exactly what that slight tidbit Dr. Pam Hudson referenced could be difficult for most people to make out. The CDC's new 60-page document talked a lot about social distancing, wearing masks, and cleaning once schools open, and what businesses and restaurants should do. It also stresses a decrease in cases for 14 days before advancing to the next stage, all of which we already knew. But cases aren't decreasing in Alabama. Today, the state's Department of Public Health announced the biggest one-day increase in coronavirus cases, nearly 400 in the last day. Hudson said numbers remain low in Madison County, but the CDC's new guidelines are a reminder.
I think the hospitals are where we need to be. What's new is this guidance from CDC to the businesses, because that is a little bit more uncharted territory.
In the 60-page plan, it urges schools to close for up to 2 days to clean if they were to reopen and someone was to test positive. It also calls for a restrictive visitor policy. And Madison Mayor Paul Finley said they're working diligently to get the info out to everyone in the area.
Our chambers of commerce, both in Madison and Huntsville, are having Zoom meetings with a lot of their clientele to let them know. And then we meet with the schools and we meet, with the different entities and have the discussions.
Right now, we know none of the 3 school districts here in Madison County have released what they plan on doing for next school year and how they plan to keep people who work in schools and who attend schools safe. Now, the governor's office has not said what it plans to do with the safer at home order that is planned to expire Friday right now. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, WAAY 31 News.